Nissan key fobs typically use a CR232 or CR2025 lithium coin cell battery. First, identify your fob type, as designs vary slightly by model year. Use a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently separate the fob halves. Start at the keyring end for leverage. For newer models, there may be a detachable key blade. Once open, carefully remove any screws holding the two halves together. Be mindful not to scratch the plastic casing. Work in a well-lit area to avoid losing small parts. Once the fob is open, remove the old battery, noting the correct polarity with the positive side up. Clean any corrosion on the contacts with a soft cloth or isopropyl alcohol. Insert the new CR2032 or CR2025 battery, ensuring correct orientation. Reassemble the fob, making sure the halves snap together securely. Test the fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons near your vehicle. If it doesn't work, you might need to reprogram it via your car's infotainment system or by holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds until the lights flash. If problems persist, professional help may be required.